All right, everybody, let's get it. Yo, what's happening, everybody? This your guy Dan Tanner, the bad boy of tech, and people, I got some fire again on this episode of TDT Tech News. Man, this week has been amazing. It seems like ever since the Note 9 was announced and everything, the tech world has gone nuts. and I'm loving it. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about, people. I got some Samsung news. I got a leak over here, a peep over there. So enough of me yapping. It's time to make it happen. Man, all you budget phone buyers, check this out. The Android P that's coming on your device is going to enhance your phone a whole hell of a lot, and you're going to like it. It's going to optimize your storage. Yes, indeed. But check this out. It's going to make your boot times hella fast. That's what's up. So, man, if you're rocking with ZTE, Alcatel, even the entry-level Samsungs or whatever, man, and when you get Android Pie on deck on your phone, or when you buy it with that, you're gonna love it. Yes, indeed. What a great improvement, because I tried to review a Samsung On 5 a couple of years ago. Very sluggish and very slow. Then I had a ZTE last year. Y'all seen the review. Kind of slow. You know what I'm saying? So hopefully Android P is gonna enhance all that with these entry-level phones and everything. Good look, Android. And while we talking about Android, check out this next story. Yes, sir. I got you guys this time. I told you. Man, the rollout begins of dark mode and material design within Android messages. Yes, indeed. Man, this is the feature where you can black out the wallpaper of your damn messaging system, your Android messages and everything, without downloading a third-party wallpaper, a theme, or whatever. It's gonna come baked in the software. Yes, indeed. I really don't understand why a lot of damn messenger apps don't have the blackout option already baked in anyway, because a lot of us do that, especially us with the OLED panels and everything, to save battery life. And honestly, it looks better. So good job, Android messages. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Well, all right, everybody, here's the peek. We're going to take a little peek because they've been talking about the screen of this phone. Here we go. This right here is the Mate 20. Yes, indeed. The bezels are a lot thinner. That's what the report says. You know what I'm saying? Y'all let me know if those bezels are for show. You know what I'm saying? So far, the phone looks pretty damn decent on this leaked picture. You know what I'm saying? Despite the hideous notch on this damn screen and everything is just, ugh. But anyway, the bezels do look mighty sleek, mighty stealthy, and mighty damn thin. Let me know what's up. Yes, sir. Man, oh man. But now, we get to the damn head story. Yes, indeed, people. There's been a Samsung foldable sighting. Guess who got it? We do. Let's get it. That right there is a picture of the alleged Samsung Galaxy F or Galaxy X, the foldable Samsung phone. Just take a look at it. This is supposed to be it. I don't know if this is just a render or whatever, but it looks like that's what pretty much the rumors have been saying for the last year and a half of how the phone is gonna look. Let me know if the swag on that damn foldable phone is for show. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Well, all right, everybody, that just about does it for this one. So if you like what you saw and like what you heard, please give your guy a thumbs up, because that's official, and I really appreciate that. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, to feel the whole swag and madness of Dan Tanner, then do that too, because I appreciate that too. All right, everybody, get money, get respect, and enjoy your tech. Be easy. That foldable device, though. Yeah.